Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Caleb coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Thursday, May 31st, 2018. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 71 degrees. Later today, we're expecting a high of 89 and a low of 67, with mostly cloudy skies. Now, please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Joel, Mike, Amadeus, Cecilia.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Sox lost to the Cleveland Indians with a score of 9-1. And the Cubs lost to the Pittsburgh Pirates with a score of 2-1. Today's announcements are: there will be no planting in the garden today during lunch. There will be an intermediate assembly this morning. Your classes will be called down when it is time to come to the gym. Today is Pizza Thursday. Come down at lunch and buy a slice of pizza for only $2. And the ear parties will start around 1 o'clock this afternoon. And summer vacation starts at the end of the day. Now a message from Mrs. Ingram and Miss Canoon.
Good morning, wonderful, lovely Hoover staff and students. It is such a bittersweet day. It is so sweet because it's our last day. We have a great assembly planned for our intermediate friends. We have parties for the end of the year. We're so excited. It's the last day and then we get to go celebrate summer break, but we have to say goodbye to a few of our favorites. So that's why it's a little bit bitter today as well. 6th grade, we have just loved having you throughout the years. You guys are just a fantastic group. You are going to do so great next year in junior highs. They're lucky to have you. It's been such a great experience with you. So make it a really good day. Like we said on field day, if we decide that your behavior is just a little off, you're going to have to come sit with me and Miss Canoon, and we've already established that we are boring. So keep it together. Have fun at your parties. In 6th grade, we wish you luck and wish you the best. It's also a little bit bitter today. We're saying goodbye to some staff members. So Miss Canoon, it's also her last day.
Oh, it is. I will miss, I will be here tomorrow, staff, so I can say my goodbyes to staff. But students, thank you so much. From the day I walked in, you made me feel part of Hoover on day one. I mean, in the hallways, you would tell me to have a nice day. You guys are just the nicest group of students, and the parents as well. Any parents out there made me feel so welcome from the minute I walked in. I really felt a part of Hoover, and it will be a little sad to leave. It's been such a great experience here, and Mrs. Ankram's been so fun to work with. So I'll miss being in my little spot next year. So
we'll think of you. So thank you. And then we have Miss Johnson, who wanted to come up and just say a little something to our students and staff.
And we also have 2 retirees that we're going to talk about later. But Mrs. Bernacki and
Mrs. Moore.
And Mrs. Moore.
Yeah.
So if you see them today, you want to
wish
them well.
A happy retirement.
Yeah.
And I just wanted to share that I have some bittersweet news as well. I'm going to be going to Stevenson next year. It's been so fun working with all of you students, so I'm really going to miss everyone here. But I wish you the best of luck. Have a safe and fun summer. All right, thanks.
Thanks, Ms. Johnson. All right, and next up we have our ukulele ladies. We thought on our last day we should sing the Hoover song one more time. That's all right. Pledge friends, can you come on back up, pledge friends? You said the pledge this morning. Come up. Right in front. Good. We're going to sing the song one last time for the end of the year.
One last time. Come on back.
Up with Hoover, they love us wherever we go. Up with Hoover, it's the greatest school we know. We work together, we learn together, we're tops in every way. We know that
Oh.
Thank you.
Production.
We not yet. We have one more guest speaker coming up. We have Miss Garcia. She sang for us on. She sang for us on Field Day, the national anthem. She kicked it off. She got it started. She just did an amazing job. So we actually asked her to come back up and sing one last song for us today at Hoover. And she actually changed the lyrics to a very popular song, and it really made the lyrics apply to just Hoover. So enjoy this last song.
All right, here we go. So if you guys want to kind of clap along with me, you can. I got this feeling inside my bones that today is gonna be the best day. All through the hallways and in the classrooms, you'll be flying up so higher in the zone. You got those books back in your backpack. You've earned all those Herbie high fives. You got all that feeling in your feet. Ooh, we're ready for summer break. You made it through the whole year, so it's now time to relax and take a breath. And you'll be out in no time. So just wait a little bit more, and we'll miss all of you. But just imagine, oh. Teachers, I know you'll be doing the dance. Students, you'll be the one doing that floss dance. Oh, and I know you're gonna have a great summer break, because we're happy. Clap along if you're ready for your last day full of school. Because we're happy. Clap along if you feel like you jumped this school year. Because we're happy. Clap along if you like that you did a great job. Because we're happy. Clap along if you're a sixth grader and you're ready to get out. Oh yeah, it's been a long journey with all of my friends, and I know I'll miss the good moments we all had. I wish you all the best for all of my friends, and I know that I will see you all again. Thank you.
Oh.
Stay classy, Hoover.
Thank you, Mrs. Canoon and Miss Ankrum. Thursday's thought is: pencils tiny, erasers flat, glue empty, folders fat, crayons broken, desk neat, memories forever, ear complete. That's all for today. This year's productions have been brought to you by the Bubbly Buffaloes, Confused Kangaroos, Dazzling Dolphins, Nartastic Narwhals, and Super Squad production teams. Have a great summer!